Welcome back to another Countdown to Christmas with Barb Ryder. We're going to feature another alternative from the Joy of Sharing card kit. This one is just a little bit different, and so hopefully you'll enjoy this one as much as you did the last one. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe so you get notices as I continue to add videos for the Countdown to Christmas. So let me just grab the pieces that we're going to need, and we're basically going to be using a little bit of extra cardstock and then creating with some of the extras that come in the kit. So we're going to be using the cherry cobbler. We are going to be adding some of the Plaid Tidings designer paper, which is 4 by 5 1/4. We are also going to use parts and pieces, and I'm going to pop those down here. I've already put the designer paper on the front of my card base here. But this is pretty simple. We're going to be using Mossy Meadow, which you get an ink spot in the kit, and you get a block. It's all inclusive, which is pretty amazing. And then you have all these extra things. So what I'm going to do and add to this kit is use this insert that came in the after you take the liner or the frame off. Let's see, I have one right here. I can show you. Well, I thought I had one right here. Whoa, let's see. Here we are. Okay, so this is the frame that comes in there, and then these pop right out. So you have all of the center that you can use. So what I'm going to do is use our sprig punch. Okay, and I'm going to actually punch 3 of these. And there's 1, 2, and actually I only need 1 side of this, so I'm just going to use this and get a side piece a little bit further. There we go. And there we are. 1, oh, I thought I threw it. 1, 2, and 3. So we need those. We're going to use some of the extra poinsettias that are in there. And then also it comes with these little dots. Can you see the circles there? They pop off. They're adhesive back. So we're going to use some of those. So let's move that out of the way and we can start stamping. So we need one of the large pieces that are left over, and then a few poinsettias. I'm not sure if we're going to use all 4. And then a couple pieces, couple little strips out of the leftover, and this little guy. And then we also need one of the long for sentiment. So this one, the stamping we're going to do is Season's Greetings. Poinsettias seem like they should be Season's Greetings. So let's go ahead and stamp that right in the center here. Beautiful. And also we're going to need an inside piece. I'm going to put that to the side, and we are going to use that beautiful saying that comes in the kit. And I've already got some of them on blocks. But there are Merry Christmas to you and yours, little dot, Merry Berries, and Pine Cone. All of that can also be used stamping extras. I'll turn this right side up, I guess. There we go. So let's just stamp that right in the center, just like that. And I am going to take this little, I guess it's a bough, pine bough. I'm going to go ahead and use the Mossy Meadow, and I'm going to stamp 1. And this is distinctive stamp, so they look so beautiful, just like that, right there. And that's what I'm going to stamp on the inside. So all the stamping is actually done. Okay, we're going to add some other things in just a minute. So the next thing, that's the inside of our card. We're going to set that aside. So let's build the front of our card. So I've already adhered the basic or the Plaid Tidings onto the front. And what I want to do, these little gold pieces, I'm going to take those and actually grab my silicone mat here because no adhesive will stick to that silicone mat. And you know what? I'm going to have to use my old adhesive here. Anyway, the new Stampin' Seal is amazing, but I did not change this before I started the video, so my bad. Okay, so we're going to have to use this. So basically what I'm going to do is just get adhesive on the back of here, and this is going to come down about this far, and I'm going to go right to the edge of my designer paper on that side. And where's my other piece here? Just like, I'm going to put some more adhesive on the back of this one. Oh, you don't want to get that on the front because once you get adhesive on the gold, it's really hard to get it off. All right, so I want this right over to the other edge, and you'll see that I don't need to use a whole strip across here, okay? This is a little tip for other ways that you can do things, but basically that's going to go right here. So again, you get dimensionals in your kit, so we're going to use 3 of the large dimensionals, just like that, and add this to the front of our card. So you can find all of this product at barbwriter.stampinup.net. Shop now. And it's all available there. The cardstock, the kit's all inclusive, which it gives you everything to make 15 cards. I recently did a class where there was a couple alternative cards. And so hopefully you can catch that information and, you know, do those cards, even use these as a couple alternatives. All right, so the next thing we're going to do, let's build this piece right here. Okay, so that's going to go right there in the middle. So let's do this. And what you want to do is just place your items to see how you want this to go. So I've got these couple strips here. It's pretty shiny with the light coming down, but this is, let me turn that just that way. Again, just gives you an idea of how you want this to go. So this little sprig will come out here. And then I just wanted an extra sprig at the top to go with the top ones here. If I can, I'm going to put this, this is the fun part. Okay, there we go. And there, I just want them to be a little, there. That's kind of what I'm looking for. All right, and then let's take these and maybe just a couple poinsettias on the other side here. I don't know if we need 3. No, just the 2. All right, so that gives me an idea. So maybe what I'll do is leave those sprigs there, kind of hold them, and we're gonna take the adhesive and just slide it a little bit, put some adhesive down there so that my sprig will stay. There we go. And here, okay, another good way to use these are the glue dots, and it does come with a sheet of glue dots on a sheet just like this. And the way that you use those is you can peel the whole thing off, all right, and stick that to the back of your project, and then you peel off the paper topping. You can get that. I can't. Hopefully you can see it. But there's your glue dot. Okay, there's your glue dot there. Now, excuse me. I am going to go ahead and grab another one and put it right over here so that that is a little more secure with the glue dots. There we go. Okay. There's that. Oh, and this one goes down here. I almost put that there. All right. So that one kind of goes down off that corner over here. We are going to, I think we're going to go ahead and put this down flat. And again, my Stampin' Seal ran out, and so I grabbed what was on hand, and that was my old adhesive that we used to sell. All right, now I'm ready to pop these little poinsettias up. I want one towards the top. let's see here. How about go like that. There we go. And let's do one more down towards the bottom. Okay. Let's see. How about down here? There we go. Just like that. Do we want a third one on there? No. All right, so now we're ready to put the gold. You know, got to use a little creativity. So what you do is, see this is adhesive on the back. We're going to take that, we're going to stick it right in the center. Look at that. Take another one right here. Add that little extra. And let's put a couple on this one. Maybe we should do 3, kind of like the berries. There we are. Oh, it gives it a nice sparkle. Okay, let's move these out of the way. Finish up our card. And I'm going to use dimensionals on the back here. Just like that. Maybe one in the middle for a stability. And we're going to pop this right on the front of the card. And this will be another alternative that you can do using the Joy of Sharing card kit. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That goes right there. And if you have enough dots left, you can take them, and how about maybe just putting just one on there just to give it a little bling bling. And there you are. And then we have to, of course, put this on the inside. So let's do that. And the last thing we're going to do, I think we're going to add some little bling on the inside with our little sprigs. How does that sound? Give it a little something special on the inside. All right, let's take this and let's do a berry there. We're going to have some sparkle berries. How's that? Goodness, there we go. I had that one like kind of crazy. Not really what I wanted. I got to go the opposite way. See if I can get these off of here. Oh my goodness. All right, there. Let's see here. Let's do this, and then let's do that. That's a little better. I like that a little bit better. But there you go. And that's your inside. Can you see that glitter, glitter? All right. Look at that. How fast and easy is that card? It's gorgeous. You use some of the designer papers. You can use any designer papers that coordinate. And then the leftover pieces from your 15 card kit, all inclusive, Joy of Sharing. Thanks for watching today. And again, like this video and subscribe. Hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.